Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to empty trash in photos on Redmi A3 Pro. To delete photos permanently on Redmi A3 Pro, go to Photos app, go to Gallery, then choose a photo you want to delete and click on the trash icon, then tap on delete. And now the photo wasn't yet permanently removed, it was moved to the recently deleted folder for 30 days, and after these 30 days it will be permanently removed, but until then you have the time to restore the picture if you need it. So to remove it permanently, if you don't want it on your phone for sure, go to Albums, then Deleted Items, and now select the photo you want to delete, and you can click here to restore it back to Gallery, or click here to permanently delete it, then tap on delete, and now it's nowhere on your phone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.